guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're already subscribed. If you're new here, my name's Marin and I make all sorts of beauty videos, I make self-improvement videos, and also videos about my pole dancing journey. So if you think you'll be interested in any of that, feel free to hit that subscribe button or give me a like. Today's video is going to be one that is beauty related, and I'm sure if you're a returning subscriber, you're not shocked that it's going to be a hair video, because I have a myriad of other hair videos. One in particular that actually got quite a bit of views, and that's when I was bleaching my hair. You can check it out here if you want. Today I'm going to be doing a very similar thing, except today— I thought I just heard someone outside. Except today is going to be a bleach bath. So after last time that I bleached my hair, which is the video I just linked to, I was running out of bleach in that video. You know, I was joking about this being a disaster, but it's a fucking disaster. Why am I doing this? So I started using less and less bleach, so I feel like that made it so that I have some patches of more like brown tones in my hair, and it's just not completely even. Like, it's not bad at all. Like, this is like okay, and part of me feels like I shouldn't be doing this because I'm gonna be damaging my hair more. But, is that gonna stop me? Probably not. I mean, obviously not, because I'm making this video. So basically the first step I'm gonna do is I'm going to be putting some coconut oil in my hair. I've never done a bleach bath before, so this is gonna be a new experience, and that's why I want to document it for you guys, just in case, you know, if I'm gonna fuck something up, at least I want to document it. But yeah. So I'm just gonna put some coconut oil in my hair, but first I just want to show you guys what my hair looks like. I won't be able to do it in natural daylight, it'll just be with my ring light, but I mean, what you gonna do about it? I want to do this right now, so yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys my hair. So I've got the coconut oil in my hair. I've had it in for about an hour. Honestly, you can have it on as long as you want. What I did last time when I like actually bleached my hair, like not a bleach bath, I actually had coconut oil in my hair overnight. It just kind of helps protect the hair. Now, when it comes to actually doing a bleach bath, like I said, I haven't done it before, and there's a lot of different information about it online and different like recipes. That one video I watched where she did do the coconut oil thing, not everyone does it, she just put it straight on the coconut oil and, you know, didn't do with wet hair, which a lot of bleach baths you have wet hair when you put it in. I've seen different things. Some people do it on dry hair, some people do it straight on coconut oil. I think what I'm gonna try, and I hope this doesn't make it uneven, is I'm gonna kind of rinse out without any shampoo, without anything. I'm gonna make my hair wet and kind of rinse out the coconut oil. I'm hoping that it won't rinse out unevenly and that it still kind of protects my hair a bit. But the reason why I want to do it with wet hair is because it's easier to apply. It'll be easier to apply, like I literally just said. I do it all the time. But just because, you know how obviously, like, if you're applying like shampoo to wet hair, it's easier to put it in than it would be with dry hair. I don't know why you would put shampoo on dry hair, but you know, you get what I'm saying. It's just, it's a faster process, and yeah. So I'm gonna do that and come back with wet hair and then mix the mixture for you guys so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm done showering my hair. By the way, I've changed shirts 2 times now, because the one I had in the last clip I was gonna use because I couldn't find this one, but this is basically a shirt that I don't want to keep. Basically like a useless shirt or whatever you want to. I mean, obviously, because bleach can like get on your clothes. And yeah, anyways, my hair is all wet or damp or whatever, towel dried. Now I'm gonna be mixing up this concoction. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I mix it. Okay, so first off, the tools that I'm gonna be using is I'm gonna be using this ice cream scoop to scoop the bleach, and then potentially this one so that I have a smaller measure, and then I'm gonna use this to mix it. And then the bleach I'm using is, I don't know if it's gonna focus, but it's called Prism Light Violet Bleaching Powder. It's by Salon Care. Oh, and I'm also gonna be using this little boost thing here. It's supposed to help protect, I believe, my hair. It's by Ion, so I'm gonna put that in there. And then I'm gonna be using the shampoo from Bedhead. Actually, I'm just gonna do this. That was way easier. Shampoo from Bedhead. I'm also using a 20 volume developer. I'm gonna be using this one first, this one by Ice Cream, just because it's smaller and I just want to use the bottle up so I don't have it in storage. So it says that for every 1 scoop of bleach, you do 2 scoops of developer, so that's the measurement I'm gonna use. Mind you, I have a lot of hair, so I'm gonna need a lot of mix, so I'm just gonna mix a bunch. Definitely gonna be putting this in there. Ooh, this smells really good. This is what this little thing looks like. So I'm adding 1 more scoop of bleach, and then I'm gonna add more developer. This one's done. I need a bit more developer. Okay. So now we've got 2 scoops of bleach. I think we're good now. I'm gonna add some shampoo now. It says add an equal amount of shampoo. So I don't know, would that be 2 or 3 scoops of shampoo? Like, I'm not sure. I don't think it matters too much, to be honest. So here goes. For sure it's gonna be 2. I do need a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna add a tiny bit more. This is gonna be my mixture. I think this is good enough. I'm gonna put it on off camera just because I need a mirror and I don't think it's necessary for me to show you. I just sectioned my hair off and, you know, apply it as one does. I am gonna apply it to my roots, even though I know they might not, you know, become the color I want. Later on, I'm gonna touch my roots up anyways, so I'm just gonna apply it everywhere and see how it turns out. Who knows, maybe it will fix my roots. But yeah, I'll be right back once I've applied it. Hey guys, so I switched location to put the bleach in and I'm too lazy to go back to my old location for now. I know I look fucking stupid, but I'm hoping that my roots are gonna like lift a bit more, so I wanted to put, you know, seal it so that it keeps the heat in. It looks like they're not gonna lift to the color I want them to, but I don't want to open it either. But I have my timer on and I have like 15 minutes left of it, and I'm hoping, you know, I'm hoping this turns out decent. It would just be sick if it did kind of lighten the roots to the point I want, just because then I don't have to go in again, though I know that's probably gonna be the case. I went into it knowing that. I just didn't want to have to avoid my roots. It was just easier to like do everything. So I might just do a second bleach bath on my roots because I don't want to do full bleach on them again or like next time. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wash it out and I'll be back once I've washed it out. Hey guys, so as you can see, I have some purple shampoo in my hair right now and I think my hair is turning purple. Holy fuck, my hair is turning purple. Well, that's great. I'm actually debating on actually putting a toner in. I know that my roots hair are orangey yellow color, but I know that toner can honestly work miracles and it might actually look okay with a different tone in my roots as opposed to the rest of my hair. I'm the kind of person, I just want to get everything done at once, so it's like, so I might do that. We'll see. I'm gonna wash this out and then I'll come back to you guys. I do have toner if I do want to do that. Okay. I'll be right back after I wash this out. So I decided to do a test strand. I don't think it's going to really work too much, so I think I'm gonna end up not toning it today, but I might, I mean, obviously I'm gonna bleach my roots and tone it sometime maybe a week from now, so I think I'm gonna actually include that in this video. So it'll be a bleach bath and doing my roots video, I guess. Just because I want you guys to see the final result without fucking weird ass roots like I have right now, so, oops. So yeah, I have like 12 minutes left of this stuff here and then we'll know for sure, or I'll know for sure, if I'm going to tone it today. Okay, so it didn't really, like yeah, I toned it, but I definitely do want to do my roots before I tone the rest of like my hair. So I kind of want to wait a week, but I might wait less than that just because I'm getting impatient. Like I want my hair to be on point again. Anyways, I'll probably just get back to you guys once I've done my, like toned my hair, like done my roots and toned my hair. My one friend is gonna help me with my roots, with the back of my hair because I can't see that. So yeah, I'll be back once I'm done pretty much, so yeah. I feel like I'm always drinking Red Bull in my videos. Okay, so I am done now finally with the toning, or with the bleaching on my roots and the toning, and fuck. It's like, why do people decide to come up just when I start filming? But yeah, I'm done with the bleaching and toning and all the stuff now. As you might be able to, I can't talk today. As you may be able, as you may be able to tell, my roots are a bit darker than the rest of my hair. They're a bit more yellow toned as well. I did tone my roots, I did bleach them again, but what I did was I basically did 2 rounds of bleach bath on my roots because it was the first time when I bleach bathed my whole hair, and then there was a time when I just did my roots, and I think I should have just done straight straight bleach instead so that it was stronger, but I'm super scared of bleach. Like, even though I use it, I'm so scared of my hair just falling out. So I think that I'm just gonna have to deal with it, and then next time I do my roots, I think I'm gonna just, you know, do this part as well. Like, the roots are just bleached, because I'm gonna let my roots grow like a little bit, and then I'm gonna do my roots, including these roots, because I think it's gonna work out well, because the roots that are closest to my head then are gonna have the heat of my head. So I think it'll work out. But yeah, I think I did film a clip of my hair when it's yellow, like without the toning and bleaching, and I'll just insert that clip here. Yeah, it looked really yellow before I did the rest of the bleaching and the toning and all that stuff. So it's Martin from the future. I just looked back on the clip and I realized that I forgot to say two things. First of all, the roots in my back hair are way more yellow than in the front, because I didn't let it develop as long as I should have. And also, with regards to toning, if you guys want to see a video on how I tone my hair, I have made a video of that in the past. I'll link it up here. Mind you, my hair was a totally different kind of blonde. It was more highlighted blonde, so yeah, it was just a different color, but it's still the same process. I still use the same toner for this hair. It's better on hair like this. Oh, like it'll be more ashy, silvery on light hair like this, but I still use the same toner. It's the same process. So if you guys are interested to see that, there is a separate video for that. And now back to past me. But I'm just gonna show you guys now what my hair looks like in comparison to what it looked like before. I'll put a side-by-side picture video. So to conclude, I guess I should say that I don't feel like it did damage my hair that much, which is kind of the point. But I don't feel like it did get rid of all the tones that I wanted to get rid of. Like, I still have some brown tones in my hair. I think it's just something I'm gonna have to just over time get rid of. It's not gonna be like a very simple process. That's usually what it is like when it comes to hair, especially bleaching your hair and getting it really light. So, Jesus, I gotta learn to breathe when I talk. So yeah, it was still fun to do, and I would recommend if you're kind of scared of bleach, or you don't know what you're doing entirely when it comes to bleach, or you just want your hair one tone lighter, not an extreme bleaching. I forget to breathe when I talk sometimes. But yeah, I would definitely recommend trying a bleach bath, because it's a fairly safe way. It's a milder way of bleaching your hair, but you're still gonna get results. Like, obviously this did do something to my hair. Actually, I'm gonna put a side-by-side of the first time I bleached it. I have the video I'm gonna link probably here, unless I linked it earlier. But I put a side-by-side of what the results were from that and what the results are now, because I don't see a huge difference, but it was still nice to kind of get my hair back to like light blonde, because I had pink in it and purple, and you know, it's also used to get color out of your hair. So if that's something you want to do, then go ahead and do that. Anyways, that's the end of the video. I'm gonna stop rambling. I hope you guys found this video useful, or you enjoyed watching it somehow. If you don't find it useful, oh, I gotta find a top comment. I'm gonna be right back. I gotta find a top comment. So the top comment that I want to include at the end of the video today, as I do in all the end of my videos, is a comment by Amy Little. She says, "Hey, thank you for talking about death. It's helped me and has given a lot of perspective for me, as I'm going through some real shite at the moment." This was on my video, my Motivation Makeup Monday video, that was about death and reflecting upon death and so on and so forth. I'm so happy when I get comments like this, because it kind of makes me realize that my videos have value to people, and they actually have helped some people live better lives, which is kind of like the point of a lot of my videos. Maybe not my beauty videos like this, but that comment still means a lot to me to hear when I make some sort of a change in someone's life, or I help someone in some way. I don't know. It kind of makes my life worth living if I can help someone else live a better life. Yeah, so thanks for that comment, and I'm glad I could help you out, Amy Little. Yeah, if you guys did like this video, feel free to subscribe or give me a like, and oh yeah, follow me on Instagram if you want. My head is not in the right space to do an outro today, so I'm just gonna leave. Have a great day, guys, and I guess Merry Christmas, because it's Christmas. Bye! As you may be able to... I can't talk today. As you may be able... as you may be able to tell,